Welcome. In this video we are going to learn ERP scanner and checkvm, which is Metasploit Post Exploitation Module. The ERP scanner post module will perform an ERP scan for a given range through a compromised host. Let's open up terminal. Here I already opened Metasploit command prompt. Type run post windows gather ERP_scanner our host equals to 192.168.0.124. Here you can see that 192.168.0.1 unknown host, 192.168.0.5 best IT word India Private Limited, again 192.168.0.7 best IT world India Private Limited, and so on. ERP scan for a given IP range through a Metasploit session. Checkvm. The checkvm post module is simply enough checks to see if the compromised host is a virtual machine. This module supports Hyper-V, VMware, VirtualBox, Xen, and QEMU virtual machines. Type run post/windows gather checkvm. Here we can see that checking YTPC is a virtual machine. YTPC appears to be physical machine. So that's it in this video on ERP scanner and checkvm. Thank you for watching this video.